Frequently asked QA interview question. What is your approach to testing and improving QA? Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel Software Testing. Today we are diving into a crucial topic for anyone in software testing. That is the approach to testing and improving QA processes. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced tester, understanding how to approach testing effectively and continuously enhance QA practices is key to delivering high quality software. So let's get started. I am going to break down the answer into clear sections such as understanding requirements, test planning and execution, strategies for improving QA processes, real life examples or tips. Before we dive into the approach, let's quickly define what software testing is. In simple terms, software testing is the process of evaluating a system or its components to ensure it meets the specified requirements. The goal is to deliver a bug free, reliable, and user friendly product. Approach to testing. Now let's talk about the approach to testing step by step. Understanding requirements. Before you even think about writing test cases, you need to understand the requirements. This means reviewing documentation, attending sprint meetings, and collaborating with stakeholders. Without a clear understanding of what the software is supposed to do, your testing efforts will fall short. Test planning. Next, you need a solid test plan. This document outlines your testing objectives, scope, resources, and timelines. Think of it as your roadmap for the entire testing process. Test design. Once your plan is ready, it's time to design your test cases. Techniques like boundary value analysis, equivalence partitioning, and decision tables can help you create effective test scenarios. Test execution. With your test cases ready, it's time to execute them. This is where you will identify defects, log them, and retest fixes. Remember, thoroughness is key here. Reporting and analysis. Finally, you will need to report your findings. This includes sharing test results, analyzing metrics like test coverage and defect density, and providing recommendations for improvement. Improving QA processes. Now that we have covered the approach to testing, let's talk about improving QA processes. Here are some strategies. Continuous learning. The tech world is always evolving, so it's important to stay updated with the latest trends, tools, and technologies. Test automation. Automation can significantly improve efficiency and coverage. Tools like Selenium, JUnit, and TestNG are great options to explore. Collaboration. QA doesn't work in isolation. Collaborate closely with developers, product managers, and other stakeholders to ensure everyone is aligned on quality goals. Metrics and feedback. Use metrics like defect leakage and test execution rate to identify areas for improvement. Feedback from stakeholders is also invaluable. Process optimization. Consider adopting agile or DevOps practices to streamline your QA processes and improve delivery speed. Now I'm going to share you a conversational and casual version of explanation to the interviewer as an example. My approach to testing and improving QA is pretty straightforward. I start by really understanding what needs to be tested. I ask questions, review docs, and make sure I'm on the same page as the team. Then I plan out the tests, thinking about what can be automated to save time. During execution, I log bugs clearly and retest fixes to make sure everything is working. After the release, I look at metrics and ask for feedback to see where we can improve. For example, once I automated some repetitive tests and it saved us a lot of time. It's all about delivering quality while constantly learning and improving. Common challenges and solutions. Of course, no testing process is without its challenges. Tight deadlines, unclear requirements, and lack of resources are common issues. But with proper planning, communication, and prioritization, these challenges can be overcome. Interview questions. If you are preparing for a QA interview, here are some common questions you might encounter. How do you approach testing a new feature? What strategies do you use to improve QA processes? How do you handle tight deadlines in testing? For each question, focus on providing clear, structured answers and use examples from your experience if possible. Alright, that's a wrap on our discussion about approach to testing and improving QA. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more content like this. And if you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.